In this engaging video, we delve into the landscape of budgeting apps in 2025, highlighting how technology has transformed personal finance management. The video opens with a dramatic montage of everyday Americans struggling with their finances, accompanied by a compelling voiceover, not included as per request, that sets the tone. We then transition to an expert in personal finance who introduces the audience to the concept of budgeting apps, explaining their relevance in today's economic climate. Next, we present the first featured app, BudgetWise. The screen shows a user-friendly interface, while a brief demonstration highlights its key features, such as automatic expense tracking and customizable budget categories. Testimonials from real users emphasize how BudgetWise has helped them regain control over their spending. Following this, we introduce Spend Smart, focusing on its unique approach to gamifying budgeting. The visuals showcase users earning rewards for meeting their savings goals, making budgeting a fun and engaging experience. The final app, Future Funds, is presented with emphasis on its investment integration, allowing users to not only budget but also grow their wealth. Interviews with financial advisors underline the importance of combining budgeting with long-term financial planning. The video concludes with a summary of the benefits of using these apps, encouraging viewers to take charge of their financial future. A call to action invites viewers to comment on their experiences with budgeting apps, fostering community engagement.